Tastes exactly how it's peach sour. What? Wow, work those claws. Ooh. What? Come on. Yes. Yes. No.
Please, what?
No, look at the.
Oh, yours too.
You can see everything. Ice field. Yes. Running at the best race.
Our tour guide was telling us that the glaciers are pockets of
We have 150 or 250.
pure ice water. And we were just right over there, right where those people are. Going to the skywalk right now. Yeah.
These trees are mesmerizing.
Yeah. We're on the skywalk right now, and we're walking along this. And I don't want to look down, but the view is so. The only reason I'm going there is because I'm not looking at the ground. But yeah. And I'm like achy again, and it's not fun. Ellen went to go pick up some tea and soup, but yeah, we're gonna be in Jasper National Park and we're gonna be hiking today. Honestly, I just want to stay inside. I don't feel that good, but we're only here once, and I'm just gonna bundle up. It's very foggy, misty, mountain vibes. Anyone like Lord of the Rings? Hey guys, we are on the way to Peyto Lake, and the weather forecasted for rain, but now it's snowing, which was not expected at all. It's super pretty, giving Christmas vibes. I'm really happy it's snowing rather than rain.
can't see shit, babe. It's so sunny.
We actually woke up at 5 a.m. that day to try to catch sunrise, but the fog was even worse than yesterday. Until now. So fun fact, the lake is a minty green color because of the rock flour that falls from the mountains, and it changes based on the seasons, just like a more minty green or a slight more blue.
You're so smart.
Yeah, I know, I read the sign. We look literally like twins.
We're the same people.
Hey guys, we're on the way to the shuttle to get to the gondola, and it's really sunny. Yeah, here's our outfits. Oh, okay. Going up to Sulphur Mountain right now.
This is nice.
It's a super beautiful day. Wow! Hey guys, right now we're on top of Sulphur Mountain.
It's okay. There's not much there.
So, what are you telling us?
Well, I was just saying, don't fact check me, but I think that's British Columbia over there.
Which one? Can you show me exactly?
The border is like along here, and so that side is Alberta, and then this side is British Columbia.
Let's go to BC.
Let's go. I almost spelled your name wrong.
Hey! So we got a passion fruit sangria. We're gonna share because we're not alcoholics.
We're lightweights. Good morning.
Hey guys, we are back at Peyto Lake.
Do you want to tell them what happened?
You can tell them.
So we're still at Peyto Lake right now, and we decided to do a hike after the view, and we went off trail a little bit and we noticed something in the trees. Tasha thought it was a bear at first, but I took a closer look and it was an elk, and we both got really freaked out for a minute.
Yo, this canoeing partner has made me canoe 90% of it.
No?
While he's just been sitting on his phone. And he's the driver.
Hey, you're gonna get nice pictures. You should be thanking me.
Thank you. This is Alan's first time having Jolly tea.
It's so crispy looking. Oh man, I love it. The flavor's amazing, and it's just like the perfect amount of spiciness.